going to take a look at another example of break-even analysis. We have here that Sturdy Chairs Company is selling chairs for $250. On the other hand, it costs $100 per chair, and also they have fixed monthly costs of $34,950. So how many of the office chairs must they sell in a month in order to break even? So on the one hand, for their revenue, that's going to be their revenue or earnings per chair times the number of chairs. The cost is going to have something similar, except that we also have the fixed monthly cost, which means fixed staying the same. That's not going to depend on X. So we're going to have for the cost per chair times number of chairs plus the fixed cost. So we're going to call X how many chairs in order to break even. And so we have the following formulas for revenue and for cost. We can think of those as functions of X. And we're going to have the breaking even occur when the revenue equals the cost. Now, a little extra here. This is going to disappear momentarily. But the profit would be the revenue minus the cost. And so 250x minus the quantity of 100x plus 34,950. We'd have to distribute that negative sign. And so we'd have 150x minus 34,950. That would equal the P of X. When that equals to 0, then that's when you're breaking even. Since that is a linear function with a positive slope of 150, once you hit the 0, on a graph that's going to be crossing the x-axis, and then because of the positive slope, it keeps on going up. Make and sell more, you got to have both going on, then the profit would be positive. It would be a gain instead of a loss. All right, let's get rid of that part, because what I've set up here, what I've typed out already, is having R of X equals C of X. And so then I'm going to subtract 100x from both sides to get the x terms together, combine the like terms, and divide both sides by 150. Notice, by the way, that we saw some related stuff here to what I had when I typed out the profit function. So dividing both sides by 150, we get that they are breaking even when they both make and sell 233 chairs. See you soon in some more examples.